Assalamu alaikum. I am Subhan from Pakistan. I am on a site where I see a building under construction. Uh, May this is the multi-story building, 3 stories. Uh, Suddenly I visit here and I see some mistakes under constructions. I want to share with the peoples who are spending a big amount of money. May this is a risk. I think so big risk never be taken in spending money. Here is some problems which may you think I am on a right point. The front beam is totally free and this roof area is totally cantilever. The beam rests on this spot, on this wall. This is totally on a risk. You can see the position if you are a civil engineer. I am making a video in support of developers and the owners who make who want to make their multi-story buildings like structures. This is main reason here. This is totally from this column to this end is totally cantilever, and here is not a given column where is necessary. This is a missing point, and something you see inner side the brickwork is totally free span, and beam connections and steel connections I don't know because this is construction before my visit. And the situation of the steel of the columns, may this is not a good lapping zone. Steel column is not good. The position of lap is also wrong. Many peoples follow the instructions of the mason and the contractors, some petty contractors. They think this is the good, this is the very good, this is no issue, we can do. The mistake is not only from the masons and the contractors. They discuss things according to their own experience. I think the big mistake is of the owners who spend money. The portion here, you see something more. Here is roof cutting for the stair, but totally span is cantilever. Totally span is cantilever. No beam, no vertical beams. Nothing is done here to safety, to control weight, how much of weight is coming in future, safety of the buildings, safety rules, steel conditions. I don't know what will be happen in future. So this is the point. This is the big point. The people who follow the masons contractors, they should follow there, but they should also take attention to the buildings and to design, to the structural engineers. They should mustly discuss with the structure engineers about the building before they contract start a work on a site. They should pay a little amount to the engineers for the safety, for the building safety, for their money safety. This I want to show clearly things this that's are wrong and very dangerous. Like this, many buildings in the Pakistan. May I think if there will be a survey, maybe every third building, maybe every third building like this, and this is the very dangerous. They depend on Allah and they do the work. It is nothing will be do, nothing will be wrong, nothing will be demolishing. This is I don't comment on this topic, why they don't take care of this type of working. Here is totally cantilever's roof, which is span maybe around about 25 feet plus, and scarcely if I measure this, maybe 400 to 600 square foot area is totally cantilever. And the design of the steel, I don't know which type of steel is provided here and how they take it risk. So I have something ideas about the multi-story buildings and structure buildings. Mostly take a decision from the structural engineers. Thank you for watching.